Come with me on a journey across the stars to a time when humanity's ambition reached the celestial heights, literally. This is the tale of the Celestial Tower, where the echoes of unity turned into hubris, setting the stage for divine intervention. Long ago, on a distant cosmic colony known as Babel Prime, humankind united under one universal language, a shared tongue of the stars. Inspired by their newfound unity, they set their sights beyond their cold, arid world. They resolved to build a tower like no other, a colossal spire, aiming to pierce the heavens, synthesize with divine forces, and carve their place among the cosmos's eternity. Materials were gathered from asteroid fields and barren moons. The brightest engineers and ascendants combined their knowledge. The Celestial Tower began to rise, glowing with radiant white alloys that shimmered like the hands of eternity itself. Day and night, teams of laborers toiled on the structure, their chants of praise and conquest mingling as one melodious hymn. Up and up it stretched, encapsulating more than ambition. It embodied hope. But there was a flaw, subtle and born out of pride. What began as a collaborative effort to glorify creation became a race driven by a single purpose: to stand equal with the Maker. The people of Babel Prime sought not to honor, but to defy. Their unity twisted into arrogance, as though they believed divinity itself could be produced by engineering. Whispers began to spread across the colony. Voices claimed that commanders subtly sought dominion and control of distant civilizations once the tower completed. And beyond the spatial veil, unseen yet watching, was the divine commander. Space Angel Seraphine, the heavenly warrior, recounts the moment heaven intervened. The stars dimmed as an energy ripple coursed through the galactic expanse, she recalls. The Creator himself descended, not in wrath, but in stern guidance. What the humans couldn't know was that their attempt to breach divine boundaries was futile. The Creator's ways are beyond human comprehension. With a subtle shift in this endless expanse of stars, the Creator made a juddering change to the universal fabric. The language of the builders fractured into shards of incomprehensible dialects. Communication failed. Chaos ensued. Some thought they were under attack. Others accused treachery. The Babel Prime colony splintered into disarray, halted in its reckless advancement forever. Seraphine ends the lesson with these words: "The Celestial Tower remains as a cautionary silhouette in the void, unfinished, abandoned, humbled. A reminder that the greatest heights are achieved not by ascending above others or exploiting unity, but by honoring humility and seeking Creator's path in all we build." The Celestial Tower stands to this day, a cosmic relic of human limitation and divine wisdom. And though forgotten by many, its light occasional flickers, a testament that the Creator guides, corrects, and ultimately loves. Remember, the stars may call us to dream, but not all dreams align with destiny. Until our next cosmic journey, stay steadfast, wanderers. Faith guides.